All right, friends, we are here on the west side called Waipahu. We're here to get some papusa. Hello, family. Look at all this, bro. Papusa. Say thank you. All right, Keegan, where are we driving to, baby? Going to Uncle Rosie's boat. Make you shaking? Why are you shaking? Alright, see you on the boat. That's my motto, except it didn't work. Hi, so thank you guys for having us on your boat. I appreciate you. Thank you. Takpoto. Takpoto. Thank you, I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Keegan. Thank you, Auntie Roxy, for a good fun and hanging out with Keegan. Keegan boy, say good night, please. Good night, bye. Fun night. Goodbye, everybody. Go home. Get home safe, Keegan boy. Yeah, come on. Let's go. We gotta go home. Good night, you guys. Good night, lovebirds. Love ya. Bye. Bye, Keegan.